Can you guess if the following story is fact or fiction? Make your guess now, because the truth will be revealed before this video ends. In the autumn of 1946, an old farmhouse, nestled in rural Minnesota, just 80 kilometers northwest of Minneapolis, became the stage for a mystery that blurred the lines between reality and imagination. While rummaging through decades-old belongings in the attic of the Wilcox family estate, a curious typewritten letter was discovered. The letter, penned on paper measuring roughly 20 by 15 centimeters, carried a baffling statement. They seemed very influenced by meme culture. At first glance, experts dismissed it as a possible forgery, but multiple carbon-dated documents found alongside the letter confirmed that the typewriter, paper, and ink all dated back to the late 1940s. The intrigue deepened when local historian James O'Connor from St. Paul noted that the term meme wouldn't officially emerge until 1976, when Richard Dawkins introduced it in his groundbreaking work, The Selfish Gene. Yet here it was, seemingly out of place in a letter discussing mundane topics like dinner plans, local weather conditions, and even a playful jest about the latest hat fashions. Linguists from the University of Minnesota attempted to trace the origins of the phrase, scouring newspaper cartoons and local archives, but found no precedent for meme culture until the internet era decades later. The mystery sent shockwaves through academic circles and drew curious onlookers from across the country, all eager to unlock the hidden meaning behind this perplexing reference. Did this astonishing letter reveal a secret time-traveling nod to modern digital culture, or was it just the product of our overactive imaginations? Did a mid-century Minnesotan really foresee a future where online trends would dominate our lives? Or is it all a cleverly crafted myth? We'll reveal the truth to you in 3, 2, 1. Do you really think that a 1946 letter from Minnesota predicted the rise of meme culture in America? Then you're in for an icy shower. We made this story up. No such event ever took place in the US. If you guessed correctly, like this video. You're ahead of your time. If not, follow Wiki USA and type up a win in the next episode. Next time, we tell the incredible tale of a man who hijacked a Boeing 727 and vanished without a trace. And for even more unbelievable stories, visit wikiusa.org, where you can discover bizarre American laws that are still in effect today.